Boys and girls, boys and brothers, men and women, all the audience and everyone who is watching, welcome to another vlog. Today I have decided that I will make this vlog in English because I have to practice my English.
No! God! God, please, no!
It's hard speaking English in front of other people. See, I think sometime in English, but I don't speak very much. I watch a lot of movies, TV series, and YouTube contents and stuff. And that's where I learned English from. Pretty much everything I know. I didn't learn it from school, colleges, or even books. The reason I'm making this vlog in English because I'm planning to going abroad. You last saw in the last vlog. I'm not planning, but I'm wishing to going abroad if the opportunity happens.
You can do it!
So I'm waiting for the right opportunity. I don't know which country I'll go to yet, but somewhere in Europe.
Oh my God!
Although European people doesn't know English very much, but I have to learn some international language, and English is the very much spoken language in the world. Pretty much everyone understands. So I have to make my English fluent as much as possible. So I'll try and make some vlog in English every now and then. Little bumpy road ahead and some dirt and dust. Another reason why I'm making this vlog in English, I've gathered some foreign followers to my Facebook page, and they won't understand if I make vlogs only in Bangla. So I'll try and make it easier for them to understand what I'm making, what I'm doing, what I'm speaking. And the other thing is, I have watched so many Western things, Western stuff, that I sometimes think in English.
Damn!
But I can speak so much. So I'm not maybe fluent in English, but I can make a conversation with anybody from anywhere. I'm making this vlog in English. That doesn't mean I will not speak Bangla again in my vlogs. You cannot deny your first language, and you cannot not love it. You will always be most comfortable speaking in your own language. The language you speak from the very start, you learn to speak. So I'm going to make vlogs in Bangla, English, both languages. Just like my favorite YouTuber, traveler, Mr. Nadir Bhai. Nadir on the go. He's my inspiration because I too also want to travel the world and be in as much countries as possible. It's my dream.
Not bad, not bad.
And possibly someday it will come true. The sun is gone and it has started raining already. It takes only an hour and a half to reach my house where I live. I mean, basically I live in both Dhaka and my village. So I've experienced the both city life and the village life, the country life, as you say in Western. But I like the country life more, you know. It's more peaceful here. You can't always find peace in the city. It's always crowded, always noisy, and always polluted. So every weekend I return to my house to get some much needed peace, much needed rest. Okay, travel vlog very soon. I mean, man, I'm impatient about going to a tour. I mean, it's been a long time, man. It's been a long time since I've gone somewhere far. It can be Cox's Bazar, Bandarban, or Sajek. Give me some suggestions. And it's happening very, very soon, man. Sooner than expected. I thought it would be hard to make a vlog in English, but it wasn't that much hard because all the years I've learned English, I've come to think in English, I understand English, I know English. It's just I don't have any habit of speaking in English, you know? You have to be able to speak. Otherwise, it doesn't matter, man. You understand it, but you can't speak it. It doesn't make any sense. I've decided a long time ago that I'll learn as much language as possible. So many languages to learn, so many countries to go. So I'm finally home. I hope you liked the content. So you can subscribe to my channel, follow to my page, and always ride safe, be safe, and see you on the next vlog. Until then, peace.